Hi guys, I just went to get some more plants. As you can see, I just wanted some more yellows and more pinks, to just make the garden look nicer, and that's just for the window, for inside the house, so we can fill up the vintage vases so they can look pretty. So at the moment I'm in the £1 shop. Actually, I didn't mean to come here. I didn't mean to get all this stuff, but I thought, let's make the tent look really pretty in the garden. And yes, so I'm just walking around and I just noticed this nice tablecloths, which I was thinking I could put over the garden table, even though we need to paint it, but we can paint it later. And they feel waterproof, so this is just one of them as well. And I was thinking, let's get something like this and just let's go crazy with the colors and the patterns since it's summer, and then we can just make the tent look nice. So I'm thinking that tablecloth maybe we'll go with something like, just mix and match. Maybe get two of this yellow, isn't it? Because we don't have much choices in terms of colors, just those. And I'm not really I think they're quite nice, cottagey feel, but I'm not feeling them now. I just want something floral. And we could get something. Oh, good thing with this one is they come double, as you can see, two of them. So I'm thinking we could mix the yellow and the pink to kind of contrast, isn't it? Just color block. I think color blocking would be really nice. So instead of getting green, and then we get this pink to go with the yellow. I don't know, today I'm just feeling yellow and pink. Actually, it's a coincidence. I'm not really choosing them on purpose. The flowers as well, I was thinking like we just need something bright for the living room. So I was really looking for a rag, a rag for the tent, So, this is also pretty. You just know these are my colors, but look at that. It's just the fabric and the patterns and the flowers are so pretty. It's just pretty anyway. It's just such nice things down here. You don't expect it sometimes. Have a look at that. That's quite nice. Like this. Oh, this is quite nice actually. So I'm also looking for some garden chairs that are comfortable. So let's have a look at what they have here. Maybe some more things we can decorate the tent with before it rains. You've got options of all that. Little pots there. But anyway, to be honest, the garden is flowery enough as it is. Another thing that I was finding really pretty is this. Pound shop, seriously, I'm obsessed with ribbed everything at the moment. I have no idea why. I just feel like getting these ones. Oh, they're so pretty. Getting a set of 6 would be so nice. Actually, I was looking for the ones that look like wine glasses, but they don't have much options in terms of colors. I'm thinking just go with the green and pink. Again, I wish they had something yellowy as well to go with it. I think the pink will cover for red as well. I don't know how I'm going to carry it. Okay, I think I'm taking a cab. Oh my god, these are pretty. That is pretty. But anyway, we're not going to go crazy with all this. It's just for the tent. And I think it will be nice to go to the charity shops and check what they have. Sometimes they have things, sometimes they don't. You see, these ones are interesting. These are glasses, and they have them ribbed as well. Oh my goodness, those are quite nice. Yes, I found the glasses I'm talking about. Here they are. These are the glasses I'm talking about. I mean, we are not living here without them, so I don't even know where to put them. Oh my goodness. They are so pretty and they come in green. So I think there are 4 in a pack. Thing is, I only need 6. To be honest, for me, I'm doing everything. And the green, I mean, those are really nice as well. Yeah, so I'm going to get these green ones and the pink ones, and they will look nice also in my new house, to be honest. Sorry, I'm not supposed to mention that. Yes. Yep, so that's going to look nice. Yeah, so I think that will be us for now. Yeah, let me know what you... Okay, so I've just spotted something here. I've been looking for a rag for the tent. You know, my tent is not super big. It's just, I think it's 2 by 2, 2 meters by 2. So I've looked everywhere. This is the the best price I've found, to be honest. The color is nice, but I wanted something brighter that will pop against the green grass. But unfortunately, the best ones I saw was in B&Q, and it was red. I think that was so nice, to be honest. It's £4 more, so I'm not so sure whether I should get that one or just kind of just live with this. I am really confused. Let me think about it. Hi guys, so I've just popped in again into the charity shops to see if they've got any beautiful homeware deals. So let's have a look around. Oh wow, have a look at this powder blue dinner set. They're so pretty. Hey, what's that I'm spotting at the corner of my eye? Look at this, such a pretty teapot. Oh, I just love the flowers. It really looks like Royal Albert, doesn't it? Let's have a look. I've seen this gadget before. I've always wondered what it's used for. If you know what the name is and what is its purpose, let me know by leaving a comment below. And guys, have a look at this. I was saving this for last. Just look at the colors with the gold. I just love the paintings of this scene on vintage plates. It just looks like a fantasy. It is so pretty. Just look at this. I am definitely not leaving this behind. I just wish I could find more of them, have a set of 6, you know, to be able to use them on the table, you know. This would be really, really gorgeous. Hello, how are you? Yes, thank you.
Do you want them wrapping up for you?
Yes, please, thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. Look out for the summer tent decor vlog.